This is a very strong fourth quarter for Shake Shack. Beats on every metric. EPS coming in at 6 cents adjusted. That's 3 cents higher than what analysts were anticipating. Revenues $124.3 million for the quarter. That's versus estimates of $118.8 million. Same store sales, or same Shack sales as they call them, up 2.3% for the quarter. Analysts were looking for them to decrease by 1.5%. They also said they opened up 20 system-wide new Shake Shack locations in the quarter, bringing them to 200. They also gave some guidance for 2019. They're going to open between 36 and 40 new company-owned Shacks. They also said same-store sales would be mostly flat, an increase from 0 to 1%. They also gave some fairly light guidance on full-year revenue, but as you can see, the stock is higher by about 2.5% right now. Back over to you.
Kate, thanks very much for that. Mike, your initial take, I guess the stock's it's been a good performer. And
it's been a good performer very recently anyway. Yeah, I mean, it's certainly well off the highs from last year. It's a similar story with Shack. I mean, there's not a lot of individual store leverage in terms of earnings power. The comps are not that. It seems like they run at capacity from the start. So basically you're adding stores and that adds top line, but it doesn't necessarily seem like it's really increasing the overall profitability of the business. And I think it's a generous kind of valuation for what the business is right now.
Stephanie, you think the valuation is quite
68
steep?
times forward estimates. It is. I mean, it's nice to have a comp beat. So here's the issue, though. They have a lot of issues with wages, like most restaurant companies, right? And they're also heavily investing in their store base. So I like their guide in terms of store openings. It's pretty much right in line. That's great. But they're also investing very heavily. So you're not going to see that operating leverage in 2019 that we wanted to see. I think you have to wait till 2020. And again, at that valuation, I think there's other names I'd rather own.